What's up, fragrance lovers? In this video we are going to find out which is the strongest fragrance, but we're going to do it a little bit different because one of my subscribers recommended that I should do a spray off challenge. Basically, take two fragrances, spray them both in the air at the same time and see which one I pick up first, and then the winners are going to compete against each other until there's only one winner left. Basically, last fragrance standing. I'm pretty excited about it. Here I got 8 fragrances. I will pick them randomly, and yeah, let's start the show. Alright, let's pick the first 2 fragrances. Close my eyes and just... Alright. Well, I got 2. Calvin Klein One Shock and Coach for Men. Alright, let's check it out. Oh no. Alright, I said, alright, I gotta give the win to Calvin Klein One Shock because this was the first fragrance I smelled. It's oriental. To me, I can pick it up more easily, but after that, this one was a little bit stronger, but still, this one is the winner. So let's put this away and let's go to the next one. Close my eyes. Alright, I get 2. Alright. ZARA Warm Black. This is a pretty potent fragrance. And Dunhill Icon. I also did a video about that. I think it's in German though. Let's check it out. Is it recording, by the way? Yeah, the little B cam. Oh yeah. Where is this fragrance? This is just gone. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Alright. This is out. ZARA Warm Black. Easily the winner. Smells a little bit like Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille on a budget. Quite nice. Alright, the next 2. Let's switch them up. Alright. Again, I got 2. Givenchy Gentleman and Ferragamo F Black. This is actually going to be probably head-to-head, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. So, 2 fragrances. Givenchy Gentleman, yeah. The opening is definitely stronger. I don't really like the opening of Givenchy Gentleman that much, but the dried one is actually quite pleasant. But yeah, this one is the winner. Quite a modern smell. Put that away. No, I don't have to choose anymore. We got Mont Blanc Individuel against Abercrombie and Fitch Authentic Night. Actually, this one was a gift. Alright. Stay there. Thank you. 2 fragrances. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this was unexpectedly strong. This is out, and we got Abercrombie and Fitch Authentic Night. Left a very sugary fragrance. Very sugary, very sweet. So, again, let's close our eyes, just put them somewhere over here and pick 2 fragrances. We got Givenchy Gentleman against Calvin Klein One Shock. Alright. Are you ready for it? I don't know if my nose is ready for it because I have so many smells right now here. But yeah, who the fuck cares? CK One Shock, yes. The oriental note, for me, it stands out. So, Givenchy Gentleman is gone, and we got Abercrombie and Fitch Authentic Night and ZARA Warm Black. Alright, let's spray them. Holy shit, man, now it's... Warm Black. Warm Black. This fragrance is strong, people. Holy shit. So, holy fuck. But I mean, it made it to Abercrombie & Fitch fragrance to place number 2, which is pretty good. Oh, no, it's not place, it's place number 3. Never mind. Battle of the best. CK1 Shock and Warm Black. Warm Black is the stronger fragrance if you ask me, but this has an Oriental note in it, so which is for me easier to pick up. Oh my god, I'm excited. Let's do this. Unbelievable. CK1 Shock. It's so easily for me to pick up. Also, if somebody wears this fragrance on the street, I pick it up instantly. Actually, this is the 200 ml bottle. Yes, I got it years ago. Crazy that it beat ZARA Warm Black. This is so strong, like it's crazy. And the tobacco, I also noticed it quite easily. So we got Authentic Night at place number 3. Then at place number 2, ZARA Warm Black. And at place number 1, freaking One Shock. Congratulations, you made it. Awesome. Alright, that's going to be it. I didn't want to make it too long, this video, because it just should be a very refreshing kind of a format. And also, thank you very much for recommending it. It was a lot of fun. I'm pretty excited how this whole room will smell when I walk out and back in. Probably a whole bunch of fragrance notes, kind of like Douglas. I don't know if you have it in your country. Write it down. In which country are you living, and if you know Douglas. I'm pretty curious about that. Other than this, it would really help me out if you subscribe to my channel. Also, press the like button if you like this kind of a format and the video in general. Obviously, if you want to see more of this kind of format, just write it down in the comments. I see you in the next one. Out. Damn. I just wanted to see, and this is going to be probably outtake material, what fragrance I can pick up first when I come in. It's that one, but only slightly, so basically the winner of the heart. Cheers.